Welcome back again to my YouTube channel. This is Ambitious Sambuching. So, ito na naman. Medyo matagal na talagang hindi ako nakapag-update. At again, dahil nagbakasyon si Layla, December 3 pa kanyang balik. So, I need to feed Rookie and Barbara. Hi, Rookie! Rookie, baby! Ayan si Barbara. Eat na! Kailangan ko silang bigyan ng pagkain. Kasi, kawawa naman. Shh! Don't eat that! Baby! Baby! Don't eat that! It's dirty! Go there, eat there. Rookie, Rookie. Why, man? You want to go out? You want to go out, baby? Cannot go out. Yan, lalaroin niya yung plastic. Nala. Ala. Ala. Big body man ito si ano? Chubby like me. Chubby like me. Ala, you're scratching the fridge. Ala. Rookie. Rookie. Sad ang Rookie? Nasad si Rookie. Babalik din yun. Babalik din yung mama nyo. Nag-i-enjoy pa yun. Rookie. Kain, Jude, kain. Shh. What are you doing? What are you doing, my love? What are you doing? Rookie! No, don't eat. Rookie. Love you, Rookie. Oh, shush. Finish it. Come. Finish the food. Kinain nila yung shell. Finish the food. Love you, Rookie. Rookie. Oh, chut. Oh, chut. Love you. Yan, kain na. Macharap naman yan. Charap naman yan. Charap yan, baby. Ayun. Good boy kay si Rookie, oh. Good boy ang Rookie, my love. Good boy. Ayan, hindi siya. Later na mag-play. Eat na. Eat first. Go there. Barbara. Rookie, my love. Sila lang dito. Kawawa naman. Rookie. No shush. Why shush? Why you so cutie, man? You look like Butchug, man, baby. You look like Butchug, my love. Don't play that one, Rookie. Na, malakaw na ko. I'm going back. Dili na mag-sad, baby, ha? Dili na mag-sad. Oy. Don't be sad, okay? Love, man. Balik na to inyong mama. Ayan, guys. Malungkot sila kasi. Oh, why? Hinahanap niya si Layla. Masyadong close ito kay Layla, mga alaga niya. Rocky! Rocky, my love!